Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a really nice Case 450 rubber tired skid steer loader. This would be the same as the 90XT, 2057 hours. It is a 2006. It's cab, heat, air, ride control, 2-speed, high flow, has everything on it but power quick attach. We're going to start you right back here at the engine compartment. We'll take you completely around this machine. This unit is powered by it's a Case, but it is a Cummins. I believe they call it a 445 T, which is an 88 horsepower gross, and I believe it's 82 horse is what it's actually rated at then. 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, starts and runs, works very good. No abnormal noise, blow by, anything like that whatsoever. It does have the remote jump points, your engine oil fill, engine oil check, fuel is here. Hydraulic tank fill is here, radiator. We've had it in the shop, serviced it 110% through everything. All filters, oils are brand new. It does have wintertime cold start plug. Block heater is in it. All the lights work. It does have a master switch there in the back. The only thing we know is not working on this machine is the air conditioning. There is a line that has a hole in it, and I just didn't get time to fix it. And we're busy now with other things. I just don't have the time to fix it. But it does come with 4 brand new tires all the way around, matched. Heavy duty 12/16/5s with rim guard. Paint is all original on the machine. Up front here you will have high flow hydraulics. Your high flow is going to be here. Standard auxiliary hydraulics are here. This says the Case drain. Up here will be your 14-pin attachment control device. So if you're going to run a planer or a snow blower, anything that would require electronics, it has that. There's absolutely no oil leaks on the machine at all. Up front here is your standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach, and everything there functions just the way it's supposed to. And on this side, the machine also had a secondary set of auxiliaries, which you hardly ever see, but it does have that. So if you wanted to run something that had an additional power beyond you needed, it has that capability. It does come with an OEM Case bucket. I believe that's a 74-inch. I'll have that in the ad. With bolt-on cutting edge. Bucket is excellent other than some blacktop stuck in it. You can see this side matches the other side. All the glass is in the cab. Front doors on it in nice shape. I like to be 100% honest here. These 2 grab handles have a little ding in them. Other than that, there's no rust inside the cab. I'm going to take you in there and show you. Foot pedals are in very nice, or I shouldn't say foot pedals, your 4-pan is in very nice shape. Seat has 2 little cracks back there. Might be able to see it, might not with the sun glaring. Joystick control. You have your horn. These are for the attachment control device. Also over here, this is for auxiliary hydraulics on your high flow side. You do have 2-speed. And this side here is your ride control. 2057 hours. Go ahead and start it. Headlights, parking brake, unlock for the auxiliaries. Inside the cab is good and clean. There's your fuse panel side. And over here, this side, your cab heat, air, and high flow activation switch. It's on low flow right now. That is for a beacon light. Here is your air conditioning switch. We did check the compressor. Compressor runs, but it is a leak or a bad line, and the line actually is down here underneath the pan. I just don't have the time to fix it. You'll need to get a line and have it vacked and recharged. We'll go ahead and turn the camera back over to Brent, and we're going to start this machine. We're going to put it through every single one of its paces. I'll show you the windshield wiper works. Again, this is all hand control machine. Nice big heavy lifting machine here. Well built, heavy skid loader. can see there from the video, this Case 450 starts, runs, works, does everything it's supposed to do, except for the air conditioning is not working. It is an only 2,057-hour machine. We buy and sell every day. I can't find good cheap skid loaders. They're just not out there, especially in big lift machines. They're not there. Stuff is repainted. It's junk. It's not original. Pins and bushings are wore out. This is not that. This is a nice, clean, original machine. Just 2,057 hours and has all the options on it everybody wants. The biggest thing is 2-speed today. Got to have 2-speed. And it does have ride control. That's a big dollar option. And if you need a machine with high flow, here it is. If you have any questions or want to come by and run this machine in person, I have nothing to hide. For you guys that think we don't service stuff, we have a list in here in the shop. I can send you filter numbers and my paid receipt for filters that we bought for this. But it is 100% through the shop. As far as mechanical and service-wise is done. The only thing I didn't get time to do is fix the air. If you want to come by and run it, 814-658-3066. If you need a quote on shipping, let us know. I'll be glad to get you a quote. We can generally get that back to you within a half hour's time. Again, check us out at marksupplyco.com. Check us out on Tractor House and Machinery Trader. Check us out on eBay at marksupply88. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply. Have a good day.